Hi, in this video I'll show you how to install OSMC on the Raspberry Pi. OSMC is an open source media center based on the Kodi project. You can play your movies from your hard drive. You can stream movies from the internet. I really like this software, so I decided to make a video about it. Let's get started. Let's get started. First, insert the SD card into your PC using the SD card adapter. Then format it using the SD formatter and it will wipe all the data. Then navigate to raspberrypi.org/downloads. From there choose the OSMC. It will redirect you to osmc.tv download page. In the installation section, you choose whatever machine you are using. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll click and the installer will start download. Open it. This is the welcome screen. Choose the language and the device you want to install at. Select the latest version. Here I'll select the SD card option. For the networking, I'll choose wired connection. This is Raspberry Pi 3 and Ethernet cable is connected. I'll select the SD card location and agree to the terms. Next, it will start downloading the software from the internet, and I'll fast forward. The installation now will begin. You will be warned that all the data on the card will be gone, so make sure you are using the right card. Congratulations, now the writing to the SD card is done. Unplug the SD card from your PC and insert it into the Raspberry Pi. Connect the Ethernet, the keyboard and the mouse, then boot up. In the first boot, the Pi will complete the installation process. And after 5 to 8 minutes, you will have a success message. Now the Pi will reboot. And here is the welcome screen. This is the configuration for the OSMC. Choose the language, then choose the time zone, and the host name that you can recognize the Pi on the network. SSH is enabled by default, leave it like that. The look and feel, there is two themes, the OSMC theme that looks really flat and modern, and the classic Kodi theme. Choose whatever you like. Now the installation is finished and we are good to go. In the settings, you will go and choose actually I like the classic Kodi skin, so in the settings I'll go and choose the Kodi skin, and I'm sure I want to keep the skin. And the services settings in UPnB DLNA tab, I'll choose like share my library, and I'll look for UPnB remote players. Yes. For the web server tab, I'll allow the remote control via HTTP, and it will choose a username and password, and choosing a username and password. And this setting will let me use the remote control application on my phone. And on the AirPlay tab, to enable the AirPlay to if you want to stream or if you want to play music from your iPhone, you can go to the AirPlay tab and enable the AirPlay option. Let's add some add-ons from external repos. Well, I'll add some external repository. So let's add some add-ons from external repo. I'll navigate to System, File Manager, and Add Source. I'll enter the URL HTTP column //fusion.tvaddons.ag, and the name is Fusion. Any name is fine. Then click OK. Then navigate to System, Settings, and the Add-on tab, choose Install from zip file. Choose from Fusion folder, XBMC repos, English, Exodus repo. Wait till it finish install and close the setting window. From the home screen, choose videos, add-ons. Of course, there is no add-ons. It's fresh install. Let's get some more. You will find a big list of add-ons. I'll install some of these, like Apple iTunes Trailer, Al Jazeera, Exodus, Khan Academy, TEDx or TED Talks, YouTube. You just press enter, install, and wait till it's installed and enabled. Let's try Exodus. Here is movies and TV shows. You will really enjoy this add-on. It's well organized and have a lot of TV series and movies. It's similar to an old one called Genesis. If anybody were using the OSMC will remember the Genesis, of course. You can go and explore all of these add-ons. Like TED Talks is really a great one. YouTube, you can enable the YouTube, and to activate it, I think you should go to youtube.com/activate, and you will be given a code. You can insert it there twice and you are good to go. Let's try play a movie from a flash memory, and it works perfect as expected. By the way, the mobile remote control app is really amazing. It's available on iPhone, Android, and the Windows Phone. Well, there is an interesting thing about OSMC. Go to System, My OSMC. You will find a nice rounded circular window that you can like configure the buy. There is also an app store. Let's install some services. I've installed the FTP server and the SMB server. The FTP server lets you access the buy using the FTP protocol using any application. If you are using Windows Explorer, enter FTP, / and the IP address of the buy. You will find a dialog that enter your username as OSMC and the password OSMC, all small letters, and you will find like shared folders that you can copy and paste movies. It will take a place on the SD card, so make sure that you have enough space. Some of this is the same for the SMB server, that you can copy and paste files into the buy. Well, that's it for the OSMC installation on the Raspberry Pi. If you have any question in mind, feel free to post it in a comment below. If you like the video, please hit the like button. This is really will be a great help, and there will be more videos like this one. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks guys, and have a good day.